The question of the existence of extraterrestrial life has long captivated the human imagination. While belief in extraterrestrial life varies among individuals, numerous UFO sightings worldwide have garnered attention, even from official bodies like the Pentagon. As space exploration accelerates, we may soon find compelling evidence of life beyond Earth. Let's journey through space to uncover remarkable discoveries, theories, and undeniable evidence stemming from the pioneering Voyager 1 and 2 missions. Former U.S. Army Command Sergeant Major Robert O. Dean made astonishing claims regarding alien contact, drawing from his military background to shed light on various alien interactions with humanity. His insights, gained during his time at NATO headquarters from 1963 to 1967, are well regarded, particularly his 1964 NATO assessment paper, examining the consequences of alien presence on Earth. Dean's revelations continued during the Roswell 50th anniversary celebration, where he discussed UFOs and the existence of multiple extraterrestrial groups. He suggested that over 100 different alien organizations with mysterious origins exist, revolutionizing our understanding of extraterrestrial engagement and the complex relationship between Earth and faraway civilizations. One of these groups, closely resembling humans, particularly intrigued military officials in 1964. They seamlessly integrated into society, sparking concerns about their presence in influential institutions like SHAPE headquarters and the Pentagon. Dean proposed a novel viewpoint, suggesting a deep connection between humans and these intelligent aliens, although he didn't specify the basis for this resemblance. Furthermore, Dean believed that alien visitation went beyond interplanetary interactions, involving interstellar and cosmic beings. These non-human intelligences exhibited multidimensional characteristics, manipulating both matter and time, redefining our comprehension of the universe. They were not just explorers but deeply interested in humans. Their multidimensional nature and control over time and matter challenged classical physics, necessitating collaboration with quantum physicists. The collaboration of American and British physicists indicated their dedication to solving this complex puzzle. Dean, despite not being a scientist, acknowledged the dimensional complexity, citing theoretical physicists' hints at 10 dimensions. He emphasized that this wasn't science fiction, but rather a transformative reality that could profoundly reshape our world. Dean predicted that our familiar world was on the brink of significant change. The impending impact of these revelations would transform our thinking and pave the way for a paradigm shift unlike any other. His extraordinary photos, showcased at the Barcelona Ecopolitics Summit in 2009, offered unprecedented insights into the Apollo missions and astronauts' experiences. Among these intriguing photographs were alleged shots by Apollo 12 astronauts featuring a mysterious spaceship hundreds of feet in diameter. Dean had heard many unusual things during his 41 years of service to the United States, but the revelation of humanity as a hybrid race left him speechless. He claimed that humans had an intimate interrelationship with advanced extraterrestrial intelligence dating back to our history's dawn. This deep interplay continues today. Robert O. Dean, a prominent figure in ufology, received 3 Lifetime Achievement Awards for his contributions. Although he passed away in 2018, his legacy continues to influence the debate on extraterrestrial involvement in human history. The Voyager missions began in 1977, when NASA launched Voyager 2 from Cape Canaveral, Florida. This spacecraft embarked on a groundbreaking grand tour, visiting gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn before becoming the pioneer to reach the ice giants Uranus and Neptune, along with their moons. Voyager 2 is currently an astonishing 12.1 billion miles away, still transmitting data about the heliopause, the solar system's boundary. The enduring communication between Voyager 1 and 2 and NASA's Deep Space Network remains impressive, with an expected additional 5 to 6 years of data collection. Both Voyager probes carried the famous Golden Record, a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc containing sounds and images representing Earth's diverse life and culture. While Voyager 1 holds the record as the farthest artificial object from Earth, Voyager 2's fame comes from its multi-decade expedition exploring the giant planets of our solar system. Voyager 1 captured the iconic pale blue dot photo, while Voyager 2 unveiled the mysteries of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These probes provided invaluable images that continue to amaze planetary scientists. Notably, Voyager's mission paved the way for future exploration of Saturn's moon Titan, with missions like Dragonfly set to reach Titan in 2034. One of the captivating narratives surrounding Saturn is the alleged anomaly near the planet. Robert Dean presented astonishing photos he claimed were captured during Voyager's 1980s mission to Saturn. These images fueled a debate about a massive luminous anomaly, or potential alien spacecraft near Saturn. Dean described this colossal entity as Earth-sized, hovering just beyond Saturn's rings. Its proportions were staggering, estimated at 2,000 miles in length and 400 miles in diameter. Dean's theory suggested giant electromagnetic vehicles responsible for Saturn's ring formation, nearly 7,000 miles long, circled the planet within the rings, emitting visible exhaust. Further analysis implied similar ships orbiting the Sun, Jupiter, and Uranus, raising speculations about an advanced civilization, either residing on Saturn or using its surroundings as a strategic base. The object's baffling appearance, morphing between circular and cigar-shaped forms, fueled further curiosity about its purpose, including potential mining of Saturn's rings for resources. While speculative, this idea introduced the notion of a highly advanced civilization capable of tapping into space's abundant riches. The Cassini spacecraft, meanwhile, uncovered a new enigma within Saturn's iconic rings during the equinox. The spacecraft captured a remarkable moment when sunlight's embrace cast a 25-mile-long shadow on Saturn's B-ring, creating a mesmerizing cosmic image. This rare celestial event occurs every 15 Earth years, and Cassini's mission was strategically timed to witness it. The phenomenon results in any three-dimensional entity within the plane of the rings, casting elongated shadows against the cosmic backdrop. Some have speculated that these shadows might be alien spaceships, although this theory remains unproven. Dr. Norman Bergrun, a former NASA engineer, has made ambitious claims about these extraterrestrial vessels near Saturn, Jupiter, and Uranus. He proposes that UFOs are involved in forming rings around these planets, expanding our perspective on cosmic interactions. Bergrun's 1986 book, Ringmakers of Saturn, delves into the idea of enormous alien vehicles known as ringmakers circling Saturn. He believes that portions of Saturn's rings may have formed due to the efforts of these ships. It's essential to note that while these claims challenge conventional thinking, they also prompt us to reconsider our view of the universe and potential interactions beyond our world. Bergrun also suggests that these gigantic living alien UFO spaceships are rapidly multiplying on Saturn's rings, posing a significant threat. According to him, these extraterrestrial vessels are autonomous, capable of self-reproduction, and adapt to their cosmic surroundings. While Bergrun's claims lack widespread scientific support, they continue to fuel discussions about hidden NASA secrets and the possibility of advanced extraterrestrial technology. Luis Elizondo, known for his involvement in UFO studies, alludes to the existence of a photograph depicting a black triangle UFO emerging from the ocean. Although the Pentagon has not publicly confirmed this image's existence, insiders suggest its presence. The Kensington UFO sighting by John Shepard was just one of many perplexing encounters with unidentified aerial phenomena. UFO sightings have continued to capture the public's imagination, and government interest in these phenomena has also grown. Now, let's delve into some more UFO-related topics and sightings. The Rendlesham Forest Incident. One of the most famous UFO encounters in history occurred in December 1980 near the Rendlesham Forest in Suffolk, England. Several U.S. Air Force personnel stationed at the RAF Woodbridge base reported seeing strange lights in the forest. Upon investigation, they found a metallic triangular-shaped object with strange symbols on it. The incident remains a subject of debate and investigation, with some witnesses insisting it was a genuine UFO encounter. UFO disclosure. Over the years, there has been a growing movement to pressure governments, particularly the U.S. government, to disclose information about UFOs. In recent years, the U.S. government has declassified and released several UFO-related documents and videos, adding fuel to the speculation about extraterrestrial encounters. The Nimitz UFO encounter. The Nimitz UFO encounter, which you mentioned earlier, is a significant incident. It involved multiple Navy pilots who witnessed and recorded unidentified flying objects during training exercises off the coast of California in 2004. The release of these videos by the Pentagon generated widespread interest in UFOs and prompted discussions about the origin and nature of these objects. The Phoenix Lights. The Phoenix Lights event in 1997 involved numerous reports of a massive V-shaped formation of lights seen over Arizona and Nevada. The event sparked intense public interest and led to various investigations and debates. While the U.S. Air Force initially attributed the lights to flares, many witnesses remained convinced that they witnessed something otherworldly. UFO sightings and U.S. government reports. The U.S. government's release of unclassified UFO reports has led to increased public awareness of sightings by military personnel, pilots, and civilians. These reports include accounts of encounters with objects displaying unusual flight characteristics and capabilities. Project Blue Book. In the 1950s and 1960s, the U.S. Air Force conducted Project Blue Book, a study of UFO sightings and encounters. While most sightings were attributed to conventional explanations, a small percentage remained unexplained, contributing to the ongoing debate about UFOs. The existence of extraterrestrial life and the nature of UFOs remain some of humanity's most intriguing mysteries. While many sightings have plausible explanations, there are always cases that challenge our understanding of the phenomena. Ongoing research and discussions around UFOs continue to shape our perspective on the possibility of extraterrestrial encounters and their potential impact on our understanding of the universe.